Welcome back to Survival Guide with Chris Hugo. Today we're going to teach you one or two things about nature and the wilderness.
That's dope, G.
We're now about to descend. We get to this little structure and then it's just down. That's what you gotta do, keep walking down. When you get to this little turn, make sure you take the left turning and not the right one. Because if you take the right one, well, it's not the right one. You happy? Hughes, we still got another 10 minutes or so. Okay, so we're now about 10 minutes into the hike and we've got to the one point where you have to either walk right through the water, take a quick dip, or try and bunderbash your way around. So we're just gonna head straight in and go for a swim. Oh my goodness!
Your dicks are gonna be so small.
Okay, the water was a little bit cold, which is understandable for autumn. We're in autumn, right? It's not that bad. But it can be a lot warmer on the right days of the year, at about midday, whereas we're doing this in the morning and it's very cold. Alrighty, so we got to a position now where there's a rock pool and then you kind of got to scale on the side of the wall here so you can get back there. So we're going to do that right now. Awesome, so now we got past that. The good news is that's our final destination. We have just arrived here at the rock pool and it is as pristine as it was last time I was here. Hello.
Good one, man. That was dope.
Well done, my boy. Look out.
It's so cold.
The water is definitely quite cold this morning, but anyways, it is such a lovely day. So we're all just kind of chilling and parking a little bit.
Please sub. If you don't, I'm gonna fail my ecos test tomorrow, and you don't want that.